third day. Third day.
Anong ba naman ito?
Wala lang.
Anong ba naman?
Emerald, what is it? Emerald waterfall? Hamilton Falls. Oh, Hamilton Falls. Hamilton Falls. Alberta. We can't get in. I don't know why they put a fence here. Not too bad. But it looks nice. Okay, thank you. Tapos malaglag ano? Oh, ganda. Beautiful. Going down there. Yeah. Yeah, the sun shining there. Sunshine is up. Here's an Emerald Mountain. August 20. Today, August 26, 2023. We're in the jungle. Ate Kate. Hi. Kaya Richard. Kaya mo yan. Kaya natin to.
Ang tibay nyo nga eh.
3 days in a row.
Yeah. The first one that
August 26, 2023.
Lake O'Hara.
Wala ko dun eh.
Oo. Si Kuya Peter, si Jessie Boy. Yeah.
Yun yung time na
Oh.
before that, nag-hike pa kami.
Kaya kasama. Kaya ginawa ko yung after, ay yung Eiffel
Tabs.
a week after.
Kasama tayo.
Ako lang. Nag-solo hike kasi. Hindi ko na ulitin.
Look at that mountain. Emerald.
Oh, there's a hike there. Oh, parang inastik yan. Apat! Hi!
Where we are. Here we go with the stone, lot of stone.
I don't.
Try kaya natin maligo.
I did Carnarvon Lake. Hindi ako naligo dun. Sobrang hangin.
Malamig ang tubig.
Yes. Nagdidip-dip lang ako.
Ha?
But you have to be careful though. Dito. Mag-dyan ka na.
Mag?
Wait, oh, this one, oh, look. Look at this. So,
Nice. Welcome to Emerald Mountain.
Welcome to fundraising. Wala ka pa sa mountain, sa trail ka pa lang.
Trail pa to?
it's
Emerald Mountain.